Now, dear students, the next plugin we are going to discuss is the Freerouting plugin that will help you to auto route your PCB. For doing that, go to Plugin and Content Manager, and in the Content Manager, in the plugin section, go to Freerouting, and this is the plugin that we are going to use. Freerouting KiCad integration. Click on Install and click on Apply pending changes, and it's downloading and installing this Freeroute plugin. So all operations completed successfully. Hit close and hit close this window also. Now let's open some project to auto route that project. Let's go to File and click Open Project, and I have already made a project, like let's say this one project, and let's open its PCB. Wait a while the PCB editor just loads the PCB. So this was the PCB we have already seen in the previous video. So let's say that we don't want these all the tracks. For some reason we see that these tracks are not properly routed. So in order to, let's first of all delete these tracks. For deleting this, go to Edit. In the Edit we have global deletions. Click on the tracks and vias and hit OK. Now you can see that we have removed all the tracks and vias in the PCB. So let's freeroute this by going to Tool, going to External Plugin, and we have this Freerouting plugin that we have installed. Click on this, and our system has something missing that says we have Java JRE version 17 or higher is required. So let's first of all install this. For installing this, let's go to our Google Chrome and let's write over here Java JRE 17 Temrim, and let's click on this. Let's click on this one, and actually let's go back. Let's click on this, and over here let's choose our operating system. I am using Windows, and we 64-bit architecture. Package type is GRE, and let's click on this .msi and wait till it's downloads. So as you can see over here that it's downloading our JRE 17. So it says 9 second, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we have downloaded this file, and now it says it's done. Let's open the folder and let's run this. Double click on this and let's install in our system. Preparing to install. Go next, install. So it's actually installing JRE. So over here you click on yes, and now it's installing on our system. So click the finish button to exit the setup wizard. So we have installed it. Let's finish this. Let's close this and let's see if we can work now. Now go to, now we have installed JRE on our system, so let's just close this KiCad and relaunch it. Let's go to file, close project, and let's quit this, and let's again relaunch our KiCad application. And as you can see that we have already installed the Freerouting plugin. Let's see in the plugin and content manager. In the installed tab we have this Freerouting plugin already installed, and it has the requirement of JRE 17, which we have already done. So let's just close this and let's see how this work. Go to file and let's open some project. Let's see, I am going to use this project for learning purpose. Let's open its PCB, and in the PCB we are going to use this plugin, the Freerouting plugin. Now you can see that we have opened this PCB that we have already used in the previous videos. So let's go to edit, go to global deletions, let's delete all the tracks and vias and hit OK. Now it's time to use the plugin. Go to tools, go to external plugin, and we have this Freerouting plugin. Click on this, and hopefully there is no error or something missing for this plugin. Now it's loading, and now you can see that it says Autorouter is about to start. Let's click start now, and you can see that it has started automatically routing our PCB. So you can see that it's adding tracks and vias and deciding the path for each of the tracks. It's also taking time. Now you can see that yes, our PCB is now complete. It has now routed all the tracks in our PCB. So in this way our Freerouting plugin works. This is very useful plugin that will help you in expediting your work and making saving your time. Now you can easily, if you want to change any of the properties of any of the track, you can do that. You can do whatever you want with this PCB now. So in this way we have added an auto routing feature in our KiCad by using the Freerouting plugin.